Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x8024401c. So you can very easily fix this problem. This Windows Update error code is this. So firstly you need to resolve and after this first you need to type this troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Now here you see this Windows Update, click on run. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. Here you see this close option, so close it. Now need to, and your problem will be fixed. If it does not fix, so type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as an administrator. Now here you need to type this sfc spaceless scan. Now this command line. So I will show in notes. So you see this sfc spaceless scan now. So simply type this command line and press enter in your keyboard. And after this process will be complete, so close this command prompt window. Now restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this Windows Update problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.